Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I haven't posted a video in a few weeks, and I wanted to give you guys a quick update. We've gotten into summer, gotten real busy. We've had a couple projects on hold while we're waiting for parts to come in, but we have two big projects that are coming up in the near future. One is gonna be a full front end refresh for the 2008 Civic Si, and our next big project is going to be an aero kit for the Acura Integra. We spent a lot of time thinking about this one, and we're really looking forward to sharing that decision-making process with you, and of course, sharing the installation and the final results. We're gonna be working on those projects here in the next month or two and posting videos along the way. We also have some smaller projects that we'll be sprinkling in over the next few months. So keep an eye out for all that stuff. We've had a lot of questions from people about specific things that we've done to our vehicles. And so if there's something that you don't see out there on our YouTube channel that you're interested in, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer any questions about projects that we've done that we haven't posted yet, or let you know why we chose not to do those specific projects. It's definitely going to be a busy summer for us with our 2008 Civic Si projects, our 2024 Integra A-Spec, and also with our 2016 Honda Civic Touring. As always, if you have any questions about our upcoming projects or anything that we've done in the past, please leave those in the comments. We'd be happy to answer those questions. And if you enjoyed the video or any of these videos, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects and cool things that we've got going on. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you soon. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.